At the tail end of the Cold War period, 1947 to 1991, the Eastern Bloc nation of Poland was looking to overhaul and modernize its aviation capabilities. This resulted in System 130 being part of a new initiative to provide incoming airmen with a basic advanced trainer platform. The product would be largely Polish in origin and required the aircraft itself, ground-based simulators for in-class training, and general long-term systems, program support. In 1983, Andrzej Friedrichs led a design team that drew up plans for such an aircraft, resulting in the PZL130 Orlik being realized. In its earliest form, the aircraft carried a Vedniev radial-based engine driving a multi-bladed propeller unit. With this unit in place, the aircraft achieved its first flight on October 24, 1984. During development, however, it became apparent that the supply of these engines would prove troublesome, leading the team to re-engine the aircraft with the Polish-originated KS-8A unit. A pre-production form fitting this engine emerged for a first flight in 1988, but this model proved underpowered enough for the team to seek yet another replacement. In time, the aircraft came to be equipped with the American Pratt & Whitney Canada, PWC, PT6 series turboprop engine, finally settling the power and performance issue. A first flight of this form was recorded on July 13, 1986 and led to the establishment of the Turbo Orlik name. All other qualities of the aircraft were consistent with basic advanced trainers of the period. The twin seats were arranged in tandem with the rear cockpit raised just slightly over the front cockpit. The crew sat at midships and the engine was carried in the nose. The tail unit consisted of a single vertical fin with low-set horizontal planes. The wing main plane members were straight with clip tips, though showcasing noticeable dihedral, upward angle. The main planes were affixed to the lower sides of the fuselage. For ground running, a retractable, wheeled tricycle undercarriage was fitted. Dimensionally, the aircraft was given a running length of 30.5 feet, a wingspan of 32.9 feet, and a height of 11.6 feet. Empty weight was 4,023 pounds against an tow of 6,505 pounds. Power was from the PWC PT6A series turboprop, offering around 750 horsepower output to drive the multi-bladed propeller unit at the nose. Modern offers showcase a 5-bladed prop unit. Performance-wise, the aircraft could hope to reach speeds of 340 miles per hour. Cruise at about 300 miles per hour, reach out to 1,400 miles, and range up to 33,000 feet. Rate of climb was limited to 2,830 feet per minute. PZL130 TC2. 6 hardpoints were rated for up to 1,500 pounds of stores. Combined rating. Variants of the line began with the original PZL130 featuring the M14PM radial engine. This was followed by the PT6A25P equipped PZL130T Turbo Orlik, which led to the PZL130TM with its Walter M601E engine, and the PZL130 TB with its Walter M601T engine, both being turboprops. The PZL130 TCI brought about use of Martin Baker Mk.1100 ejection seats for increased survivability as well as modernized avionics. The PZL130 TC2, Garmin, then followed, and this reverted back to the PT6A series engines, PT6A25C, while adding winglets to the main plane members, and featuring a modernized avionics set from Garmin. The PZL130 TC2, GC, introduced an all-glass cockpit to better mimic modern military aircraft that included a head-up display, HUD, displaying pertinent operating and mission information directly ahead of the pilot, instructor. PZL recognizes this offering as the Orlik MPT, the multi-purpose trainer. The Polish Air Force remains the only global operator of the Orlik. The Navy service did, for a time, operate the same aircraft. The Air Force took on the series in 1994 and, with 9 prototypes, total production reached 59 units.